Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change the location of your Facebook group, then this video will be helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change the location of your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups. And then on top menu, click on your groups. And then scroll down, and here groups you manage, you can see your all groups will appear. Now select the group in which you want to change the location. For example, I want to change the location of first group, so click on it and then click on manage. After that, scroll down and find group setting option. You can see here is the group setting option, click on it. And here you can see location, so click on location, and here you can add any location you want. For example, I want to add USA, so I click on USA and then click on save. Now you can see, click on location and you can see here USA location has been added. You can add up to 3 locations on your Facebook group very easily. You cannot add more than 3 locations in this group. So in this way you can add or change the location of your Facebook group very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.